If you're considering using VIVO eSIM for your international travel, there are 12 things you need to know before making the switch. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it compares to other eSIM solutions and whether it's the right fit for your travels. The first thing to note is that VIVO eSIM is known for its ease of use when it comes to international roaming. Unlike traditional SIM cards, with VIVO, you don't need to physically swap SIM cards when you travel. You can switch between networks digitally, saving you time and hassle. Next thing, let's talk about coverage. VIVO offers international data plans in over 150 countries, which is impressive. But when compared to competitors like Iralo or Ubigi, VIVO has slightly fewer options in some regions. If you're traveling to more remote areas, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing is pricing. VIVO's rates are generally competitive, but they can be more expensive than some alternatives, especially for longer stays. Other eSIM providers like Iralo might offer more affordable daily rates for data, but VIVO's flexibility in choosing data packages could still be appealing for those with shorter trips. Now, VIVO does offer fast data speeds, but the experience can vary depending on where you are. In major cities, you can expect speeds close to what you get at home, but in rural areas, your connection might be slower. This isn't unique to VIVO, but it's something to consider if your travels take you off the beaten path. The fifth thing is customer support. VIVO has a solid support system with a responsive team available via email and chat. However, competitors like Iralo offer 24/7 customer service, which might be important for travelers who want around-the-clock assistance. Next thing, installation is super simple. Once you buy your plan, all you need to do is scan a QR code and your eSIM is activated. This is a straightforward process, even for first-time users. However, VIVO doesn't have as many step-by-step guides or troubleshooting articles as Iralo, which can be a downside if you run into issues. The seventh thing to consider is the data management. VIVO eSIM allows you to manage your plan directly from their app, which is convenient. But compared to other apps, it could use a few more features, such as data usage alerts, which are standard in other eSIM services. Next, let's talk about the validity of the eSIM. Some users have reported that once their plan expires, VIVO's eSIM requires a manual reactivation. This is different from competitors, where your eSIM remains active until you choose to cancel it, adding another layer of convenience for long-term travelers. The ninth thing is VIVO's compatibility. While it supports most recent phones, you'll want to double-check that your device is compatible before you purchase. Iralo, on the other hand, tends to have wider device support, including older models, making it more versatile. The 10th thing is that VIVO eSIM doesn't offer voice calling, which may be an issue for travelers who rely on voice communication while abroad. If voice calls are essential, you might need to look for alternatives like Ubigi, which provides both data and voice services. Next thing, VIVO doesn't have as many local data partnerships as some competitors. This can sometimes lead to slower speeds or limited service in certain countries, which isn't ideal for travelers who need reliable data no matter where they go. The 12th thing, and one of the most important factors, is VIVO's trial period. While it offers a decent refund policy, there's no free trial, so you have to commit up front. If you're uncertain about the service, this can feel like a risk compared to other providers who offer trials, allowing you to test the service before you commit fully. So, is VIVO eSIM the best option for your travels? It's definitely a solid choice, offering flexibility, competitive coverage, and ease of use. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option or one with more features, you might want to explore alternatives. If you want a better option with a free trial to test for yourself, check out our recommended solution. It could be a better fit for your international travel needs.